everyone, I'm back for another video. I thought I would do another spring look, this time using the oh, bit reflective, Jolie Beauty Intergalactic Palette. This is what it looks like. So it's just going to be a yellow and lilac look. So really simple, just going to use these two yellows. One's like a bright yellow, one's a softer, more like lemony yellow. It's probably being washed out a little bit by the light there, but it is just a soft yellow. I'll turn the light down a sec. And then for a bit of a contrasting pop, I'm going to use a lilac liner. Let's get to it. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to take the light, the softer yellow, the more like pastel lemony yellow. It's called Big Bang, and I'm just going to put that through the crease on both eyes. Because it's such a soft, light colour, you can go ham with it, like load up the brush, get a fair bit on. It's really just there to blend the bright yellow into, so it doesn't just stop too suddenly. It will be really soft and subtle though. And then I'm switching from a fluffy brush, which I use to put that in the crease, to a flatter, denser brush to pack on the bright yellow, which is called Supernova. And I'm pressing all over the mobile lid. I'm just turning the brush sideways when I get to the crease, just to soften that around a bit more, blend it up. And then you can just build it up so it's as opaque as you like. Turn it sideways again. Okay, so that's pretty much the eyeshadow done, and then into the liner. Now with this, because it's like one of those, like, comes with a brush, I don't really like this brush, so I'm going to use my own. So I'm just going to wipe it off in the back of my hand and then dip my own brush into that. Hope that works. So it's just an angled liner brush that I'm using. I've smudged there, I've gone too high, but I'll go over it with the yellow. Or I'll do a bigger wing than expected. So I'm just going in and building up until I get the intensity that I want. So once I've got the shape, I'm just going to build up the opacity of colour. So that's the liner done. I'm just going to curl my lashes, and actually I'm just going to blend out a little bit more on the top there first. Got a little bit of mascara there on the yellow. If you do have a smudge mascara, don't wipe it, wait till it's dry, and then it'll like go crispy and flake off, rather than if you try and wipe it while it's wet, it'll just spread. So that's why I'm leaving it. So I'll leave it till it's dried, and then I'll either use a brush or a spoolie to flake it off. So that's the look finished. Super simple, super fast, dead easy, really quick, but really effective, and like loads of like spring colours. I feel like a bit of a mini egg with these colours. To anyone else, the yellow and the purple just reminds me of like mini eggs, so perfect for Easter. On the rest of my face, I used the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. How satisfying is the packaging? It's like totally mesmerising. I'm obsessed. So that is like quite a bright pink, cream blush, and then like a pink glittery topper, and then the highlight. I didn't use any of the glitter today. And on the lips, I used a pink lip gloss, which is my favourite. It's Fenty Gloss Bomb in Pretty Please. Look, you can't tell it's my favourite because it's all beat up, and I'm really on the dregs of this one. And I'm so annoyed because you can't buy it by itself. You can only buy it in a multi-pack with all the other colours, and I've still got all the other colours and I hardly ever use them. I use this all the time. So yeah, that's the look done. What did you think? Let me know. Will you try it? Very on theme, on brand for Easter. Thanks for watching, everyone.